Are you planning to redecorate your home? Finding difficulty to buy or select furniture? Hello everyone, I am architect Tanya Singhi back with another video another day, and today I am going to tell you where to buy furniture online. Being an architect as well as a homemaker, I always feel like that the furniture I use should be of my choice. It should always be something जिसके साथ मैं comfortable हूँ, जिसे यूज़ करने में मुझे आसानी हो. तो मैं हमेशा यही ट्राई करती हूँ कि मुझे जो भी फर्नीचर चाहिए हो वो मैं खुद डिज़ाइन करके बनवाऊँ. बट दिस इज़ नॉट द केस विथ एवरीवन. आप शायद खुद जाकर ना बनवा पाए अपने लिए फर्नीचर, तो फिर सबसे बेस्ट चॉइस है लेट्स गो फॉर फर्नीचर शॉपिंग. बट थैंक्स टू कोरोना भाई साहब हम वो भी नहीं कर सकते. फिर अब क्या करें? Let's go furniture shopping online. Back home, relax and choose the furniture of your choice. Here are a list of websites where we can find a suitable furniture for us. Number 1, Amazon. The most trusted brand we use today. It has a wide variety, wide range of furnitures from cheap to premium in terms of rate as well as quality. हर तरह का फर्नीचर वहाँ मिलेगा, सबसे सस्ता, सबसे महंगा, थोड़ी कम क्वालिटी वाला, एकदम प्रीमियम क्वालिटी वाला, बट अ ट्रस्टेड ब्रांड जहाँ से हम ले सकते हैं. Number 2, Pepperfry. A brand by 4 Indian founders has a variety of products to choose from. May it be a metal wall art, 2 small pot planters, or a big full-fledged big sofa set. You may see quite an options on their websites. They cater both Indian and modern furniture designs. Number 3, Urban Ladder. Again an Indian venture based in Bangalore but caters a big number of cities. Not a very old company, but it has some very unique and interesting designs. Also, I would say that Urban Ladder is one of the very affordable places to shop from. Number 4, IKEA. Does not need much introduction. A Swedish-founded old company entered India a few years back. Their stores are in Hyderabad and in Mumbai. They have enormous range of products to select from. A bit expensive compared to others, but definitely worth a try. And quality, top-notch. Number 5, Evoke.in. A venture by brand Hindware. They serve a variety of products, and especially if you are searching for solid wood furniture, this place is definitely for you. Also, if you like Indian style furniture, you can grab a lot of things from Evoke.in. Number 6, Flipkart. They do not have a wide variety of products. They have some limited things, but definitely a trusted place to buy quality products. They serve a little area, maybe a part of bedroom and a part of living room. But yes, definitely a try on products because they have good quality products there. So this was all the places from where you can buy furniture online. I hope this helped you. Also, if you are searching for products, if you are searching for furniture online, कहीं मुश्किल आती है, मुझसे पूछिए. मैं आपको एडवाइस करूँगी कि आप कौन सा प्रोडक्ट कहाँ से ले सकते हैं. And I can also get you some good deals. Also, if you're searching for new deals every day for interior or home decor products, I have a channel on Telegram where I post new products every day, maybe affordable, maybe some fancy, unique things. But yes, I give product suggestions on Telegram on my channel, that is Home Decor by Tanya. I am going to provide the link for my channel in the description box. If you like, you can go join my channel. Also, I'm going to meet you in the next video very soon, very soon. Till then, video pasand aaya ho to give it a like, subscribe to my channel. We are a healthy growing family. I cannot thank enough. Also, if you think ऐसे suggestions, ऐसे मुझे product suggestions और देने चाहिए, ऐसे videos और बनाने चाहिए, comment down below कि आप क्या चाहते हैं कि मैं next video किस चीज़ पे, किन suggestions पे बनाऊँ. I'm going to meet you in the next video very soon. Till then, bye. Take care. Number 2, Pepperfry. Number 2, Pepperfry. A brand by 4 Indian founders has a wide. Number 2, Pepperfry. See quite an options on their website. Number 2, pepper fry. Pepper fry. Number 2, pepper fry. Number 2, pepper fry.